is hot hide glue. It's a little different from the liquid hide glue because it doesn't have any additives. It's just simply kept hot at about 140. The hot is designed to keep it at that temperature. And I mix it up to get a consistency that's a little thinner than what we have. The consistency is kept by adding water or by letting it evaporate, which it does as the heat is applied to the pot. So what you're looking for is a steady stream with no lumps that stays together for a good distance as it falls off the brush. That's the right consistency. If you don't have a pot, you can use a crock pot as a double boiler to heat up water and then have a vessel inside the water in which you place the glue. The best part of many good parts of using this kind of glue is what we're going to work on today, which is rub joints. If you've never seen a rub joint before, it's pretty magical. I've got 4 bracket feet here. They haven't been cut to exact shape, but you can see with 4 different miter joints that are solitary as opposed to being part of a single mitered frame, clamping it becomes a problem. You can't use a band clamp or a jig that's made for picture framing. You could construct a specific kind of corner block that would apply pressure like this, but you'd have to make a bunch of them, and it just seems like a lot of work anyway. And a rub joint will suffice. Well, basically a rub joint is just this. I don't want a really thick joint. I want to try to have a smaller glue line. So I'm only going to apply to one side. And the other side gets pressed in there. You rub. Press it against the platen to get it flat. And then make sure that the 2 points are together. Now I just hold it for 20 seconds, 30 seconds maybe. Just use my hands as clamps. A good quality hot hide glue that's a strong gram strength. This is a 240 gram glue, which is a fairly strong joinery glue. Will hold almost immediately. So you can see it hasn't even been a minute or maybe a little more than a minute, and the joint is already basically done. The excess just gets pulled off, comes off kind of like snot. So the longer you wait, the more it cools, the easier it is to remove that way.